Alright, let's look at the homework 11.2, problem number 9. Alright, so let's solve the following initial value problem. Alright, so we have that. So this is a separable equation, so I'll try to put all the y's on the left and all the x's on the right. So let's do that. So here, so I'm coming from here, so starting from the differential equation. Alright, so we need to divide by y. So divide through by y. So we have dy over dx to begin with, but we divide by y. So you have a 1 over y. So this is equal to, you have a 4x and a sine of x squared. Alright, then as usual, we're gonna integrate with respect to x. So we integrate both sides with respect to x. Alright, so I should have given a little bit more room. Alright, so we have that. Alright, and you can see that we can cancel out the dx's. Alright, so we have on the left hand side, we need to find an antiderivative of 1 over y. So this is just going to be natural log of absolute value of y. Alright, is equal to that. Alright, and the integral of the right hand side, we can use either substitution, or you can use the kind of a general sine cosine rule, but let's do a substitution. I'm going to let's see, so I'm going to go here, let u be x squared. Alright, then go through the usual drill. So take the derivative of u with respect to x. We get 2x, and put this guy upside down, so take the reciprocal. So you have a dx over du, which is equal to 1 over 2x. And then we can just multiply through by du, so that we have alternative expression for dx. So dx is equivalent to du over 2x. Right? So here, using substitution, so I'm going to leave 4x for now. Right? And then you have a sine of u. Right? And a dx is equivalent to du over 2x. Right? So we can cancel out 2x on the bottom, and there's a 4x, so there's going to be a 2 left over there. Alright, then we have, so antiderivative 2 sine of u with respect to u would be 2 cosine of, actually it's going to be negative, right? So negative 2 cosine of u. Alright? So we got that, and then let's see, maybe did plus some constancy, right? Put that. All right, then you see that here I'm going to put x squared back in for u. So this is just going to be a negative 2 cosine of x squared plus some constant c. All right. Then we're looking for y, so to just try to find that. So here, first I have to get rid of the natural log, so it's going to be raise e to both sides. All right. So you have raise e to the natural log, so you have natural log and exponential function cancel out because they are inverses of each other. So we have absolute value of y is equal to that. And then you have e to the negative 2 cosine of x squared plus some constant c. All right. So we can find, let's see, we can find the C value using the initial condition. Maybe we should do that. So plugging in y equals 9, x equals 0. So plug in y equals 9 and x equals 0. So you have one absolute value of 9 is 9. And x is 0, so you have, let's see, so plug in 0, so you have e to the, cosine of 0 is 1, so you have a negative 2 plus c. Alright, then we can solve for c. We can just take the natural log of both sides, so you have a natural log of 9 is equal to negative 2 plus c, right? Then c is going to be simply adding 2. So we have, let's see, so natural log of 9 plus 2 is equal to c, right? So we're almost there. So you have y, right? So y is equal to, right? So in this case, y is going to be a positive value, so it's okay. But you have e to the negative 2 cosine of x squared, and plus, and c came out to be natural log of 9 plus 2, right? So we can make it look a little bit better. So we can do this, right? So I'm going to group those guys together, right? So we have, let's see, e to the 2 minus 2 cosine of x squared, right? Then times, you have e to the natural log of 9. But e to the natural log of 9 is a long way of saying 9. So this is going to be simply 9 times, right? I put that first, e to the, right? If you want that to both have 2, I can probably put 2 outside. Then you have a 1 minus cosine of x squared, right? So this is the solution that we are looking for. All right, so let's type in. So we got the y is equal to 9 e to the, right? So it's going to be 2 times 1 minus cosine of x squared. All right, so hopefully, all right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.